Hello everyone, today we are chalk paint blending. I am going to demonstrate on this side of the piece how to chalk paint blend. So I'm going to start with my first color and I'm going to mist my paintbrush. I'm using a white and you want to keep your paint wet as you go. That's the trick with chalk paint blending. I am painting over a previous coat that I had blended just to demonstrate to you the technique. I'm using horizontal strokes, getting good coverage over my white section, but I'm keeping the coats of paint thin. So without letting your paint dry, I'm going to start applying my second color, which is a mint green, and I am just again misting and doing horizontal strokes and just covering the entire section that I had painted below just to follow that pattern. And I am going to paint this mint green all the way up to the border with my white. And then the next step will be the actual blending, but I want to make sure that everything is first nice and covered. Then I take my white paintbrush and I start blending where the two colors meet. Just light, swift strokes. And everything starts blending together beautifully. I can run my paintbrush up and down until I like the look of the blend. So that looks really nice. Now I'm going to start with my bottom color, which is a richer green, and I'm going to again get everything wet. I like to mist my brush and not so much the surface because I don't want water drops getting onto other colors. And again, I'm going to just take this all the way up to the border with my middle color, with my mint green color, and get everything nice and smooth and wet before I start to blend. And now I mist my mint color brush and I go over the seam again, making sure everything is nicely cohesively blended. This is just a really fun and easy technique to create just kind of a horizon of colors. I'm going to keep doing these strokes. Here I'm using a dry brush. It's clean and dry to help me kind of give it a nice final finish of blend. And I want to also make sure that everything looks level, so I'm double checking that my strokes look level, and it really came out so nice. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and be sure to subscribe to catch more fun projects.